Hello students, I hope you all are healthy and safe at home. Schools and colleges are closed. We are going to learn virtually. In vacation, I gave you one schedule how to spend your vacation fruitfully. Today I am here with one more video where I can guide you how to prepare for your online classes and tips to study virtually. All the best students. Are you excited? Let's get going. Oh, online classes, boring. I cannot concentrate. I keep getting distracted. My marks are falling down. Don't worry. In today's video, you are going to see some smart study habits at home and some rules you have to follow for in your routine. I am sure at the end of this video, you are going to feel comfortable with your online studies. Now, get ready to follow me around the day. Tip number 1, morning routine. When we wake up in the morning, we are all kind of slow and lazy. First thing is you have warm 2 glasses of water with lemon or honey. It is very important this time to do a few things every day. It's important to do a couple of activities every day in silence. Working in the morning will help you to increase your energy level for a day. After this, go for a relaxed shower. Breakfast is a very important meal. Your brain needs energy to work. So, give yourself plenty of time to relax and eat a healthy breakfast. Tip number 2. Head straight to your study table at least 15 minutes before the class starts. It is very important to sit on a chair and keep your device on a table. If you are using a mobile phone, either you can mount it on a small tripod just the way I have. Arrange your notebooks, pens, look over your class timetable and your notes from the previous day. Get ready to the topic that your teacher will be discussing in the class. Sometime when classes are going on, suddenly phone rings up or some notification gives us trouble. So always keep in mind when you start your studies, keep all notifications turned off during class hours. Don't be tempted to check your Insta or WhatsApp messages. Now, make sure that your computer screen is at your eye level. So, you don't have to bend your neck either up or down. It's time for online class. Actively engage with your class or else you are surely fall off to sleep. Ask questions, take notes or answer questions. Posture is very important since you are spending hours in front of the screen. Keep your back straight, your core strong, neck straight as well. Often when we concentrate, we suddenly remember we have to call someone or I have to send a message to someone. Quickly write these distractive things down on a separate sheet or paper and we will attend to all these tasks after the class hours. Keep habit of taking notes while you are listening to online class. That way your brain is completely engaged and you are going to completely focused on that subject. I believe self-discipline is most important to achieve our goals. Drink water 1 glass every 1 hour. End of every session, rub your palm and give a warmth to your eyes. Do some neck exercises so you will feel relaxed. Get up and move. Give yourself a good stretch. Go out into the fresh air. Look into the horizon at least 20 meters away for 5 to 7 minutes to avoid eye strains. Tip number 3. Plan for the day. It is very important to segregate your study space from your sleep space and your entertainment space, because the entertainment affects us. So, no matter how small your house is, find that little corner where you can put a small desk and you make yourself a study place. Follow a schedule. This is so important during this period, because sometimes we even tend to forget what we have done, which day, and what subject we have studied. Make a simple schedule so you can keep a track of your studies. Every 1 hour you can change your subjects, and if you feel that you are bored, then see some motivational quotes which will motivate yourself. Self motivate during this period, then this will be a skill that you can use for the rest of your life. Tip number 4. Keep your phone away from your study place or keep in the different room. This will help you getting distracted by your phone. You decide your phone can be your distraction or your destination. Keep no screen time and refer only textbooks and your notes. Keep a separate sheet for doubt solving. Note down some points which you are having doubt in your chapter, and you can discuss that end of the day with your friends, or you can ask the doubts to the teacher. Tip number 5. Online study time. Only video sessions you will see, and you will understand the concepts from these videos. Make it a point while watching videos, important concepts has to be noted down. Before end the session, do a quick revision of your favorite subject. Then wind up your studies. Do not study all day. Yes, absolutely do not study all day. It's not a bad idea for you to relax a little. But if you have a schedule and it's a few hours of work, follow the routine. And in the evening, plan something fun. It could be a nice dinner with family. It could be call with your friends. It could be watching TV. But what's very important is not to sleep very late. You must sleep on time, because sleep is the time and brain regains its energy, and that makes you very productive to the next day. Reward yourself for all these accomplishments. Stay healthy, stay connected. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, then don't forget to hit the like button. To get instant updates, subscribe my YouTube channel UMaths.